the one thing I get asked pretty often is, how does my launch work? So after a lot of thinking about it, I decided to show you guys in depth how this coaster's launch system works, and you'll get a chance to build something like this as well.
Ooh, can I build one too? I would love to see how fast it can go.
Sure, Obot. In fact, I might have you help me find some key tips for the crafters to know when building this machine.
Well, let's get to it. How do we build this launch?
Well, first, let's go through a few main materials that you'll need for this machine. You'll need a whole lot of knex, string, hot or super glue, latex tubing, staples, and a programmable operating system. We'll go through some of these other materials very soon, but for today, we're going to be focusing on the knex mechanisms part of this launch. Now, just to be clear, this will be a series of tutorials showing you how to build this launch. For today, this is just how to build this mechanism part of it, so we'll get into all of the nitty-gritties of how to connect the latex tubing and string to it later on in some other videos, as well as how to program this operating system. I use Lego Mindstorms for this launch, and I know not everybody has this, but the same principles will kind of apply, assuming you can code a system to do the same exact thing as the Lego Mindstorms. Now, without further ado, here are some step-by-step graphics for you to follow on how to build this part of the launch. Here we go!